Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I'm Kinjal Suvanchatra, your math guide. Welcome to my channel StudyZone. This is the second tutorial of Statistics, chapter 14 of Standard 9. In last session, we have done basics, and in this session, we will discuss about exercise 14.1 as well as primary data and secondary data. So, don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are exercise 14.1, primary data, secondary data and homework. So, starting with the first exercise. And the first question is, give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day life. I have written by my own, you can write by your own. Okay. First one is weight of your classmates. It is also data, numericals, right? Second, types of plants which nearby your locality. Third, temperature of different cities at same time. Fourth, time spent for playing games in single day. And fifth, most favorite chocolate name of your classmates or of your friends. Got it? Now go to the next. Classify the data in question 1 above as primary and secondary data. But for that you should find the what is primary data and secondary data. For that, so first of all we go to the primary data. So what is primary data? When the information was collected by the investigator herself or himself with a definite objective in her or his mind, the data is obtained is called primary data. Means whenever you got the information by yourself, that is called primary data. Got it? Now next, secondary data, when the information gathered from a source which already had the information stored, the data obtained is called the secondary data. Means whenever you got the information from the internet or Google, right? So at that time that is called secondary data. So go to the last, which is the second question. Classify the data in question 1 above as primary and secondary data. So check it out. Weight of your classmate, it is primary data. Second, types of plant which nearby your locality, it is also done by you, so it is also primary data. Third, temperature of different cities at same time, it will get from your internet, or you can say it gets from the Google or Chrome, right? So it is secondary data. Third, time spent for playing games in single day, which is your time for playing, right? So it is also primary data. And last, most favorite chocolate names of your classmates, or you can say friends, so it is primary data. Check it out. Primary data, case 1, 2, 4 and 5. 1, weight, types of plants, time spent and most favorite chocolate. And secondary data, which is case 3, which is temperature of different cities at same time, because temperature is getting by another person, right? So today we have done these examples, primary data, secondary data, and exercise 14.1. Got it? Now go to the next. It's homework time, and the question is, give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day life and classify into primary and secondary data. Best of luck guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye bye.